Which looper pedal actually delivers what it promises? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. Every pedal says it's easy to use, has great sound, and tons of time, but once you start using them, the differences hit hard. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually matter. Product number 1, MOOER GE100 Multi-Effects with Looper. Let's start with something different, the MOOER GE100. This isn't just a looper, it's a full multi-effects unit with an 180-second looper built in. At around $110, it sits in the mid-range price bracket, and what caught my eye is how much value it packs. If you want looping plus a whole ton of effects without buying multiple pedals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get 80 presets, 66 effect types, a drum machine with 40 rhythm patterns, and even a tuner all in one box. The looper runs for 3 full minutes, which is solid for layering riffs or practicing solos over chords. The expression pedal lets you control volume or wah on the fly, and the headphone output means you can jam quietly at night. With over 900 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with guitarists who want flexibility without breaking the bank. Now, some people might complain that the interface feels a bit cramped. There are a lot of knobs and buttons, and it takes a minute to learn where everything is. Honestly, that's fair. If you're only looking for a simple looper and hate menus, this might feel like overkill. But if you're building a pedal board on a budget and want room to grow, the learning curve pays off. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner to intermediate player who wants one pedal to do it all: effects, looping, tuning, even practicing with drums. Skip this one if you already have a full pedal board and just need a dedicated looper. For the price, it's an insane amount of functionality. Product number 2, Donner Triple Looper. Now, if the MOOER felt too complicated, let's talk about something focused, the Donner Triple Looper. At $82, this is a dedicated looper with a clean, no-nonsense design. What stands out immediately is the screen. It shows loop time, mode, and progress, so you're never guessing where you are in the loop. Here's why this matters. You get 3 separate loop slots, each holding up to 30 minutes, so 90 minutes total. That's huge if you're doing live looping or recording long practice sessions. Unlimited overdubs mean you can layer as much as you want, and the undo-redo feature saves you when you mess up a layer. The one-knob control sounds limiting, but it actually makes operation intuitive. Press once to record, again to overdub, again to stop. Simple, and it saves your loops even when powered off, which is a lifesaver. The downside, no built-in power supply. You'll need a 9V adapter, center negative, 500 mAh, and that's not included. A few buyers mentioned this caught them off guard. But honestly, most pedal users already have a power brick lying around, so it's more of a minor annoyance than a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want serious looping time without spending boss prices. Skip this if you hate managing multiple power adapters or need stereo I/O. For under $85, it's one of the best value loopers out there. Product number 3, Boss RC5 Loop Station. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're serious about sound quality and features, the Boss RC5 is in a league of its own. At $270, it's the most expensive here, but it's also the most advanced. This isn't just a looper, it's a studio-grade tool. You get 13 hours of stereo recording, which is wild for a pedal this size. The multicolor LCD shows loop status clearly, and the 57 built-in rhythms with A/B variations let you practice or perform with realistic drum tracks. Plus, MIDI I/O and USB mean you can sync it with other gear or export loops to your computer. The flaw? It's pricey. And if you're just jamming at home, you might not need all this power. Some users also wished it had more than one track. It's single track only, so you can't layer separate rhythm and lead loops independently. This is perfect for you if you perform live, record seriously, or want the best possible sound. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or only need basic looping. But if you want pro features in a compact pedal, the RC5 is hard to beat. Product number 4, LEKAT09 Loop Pedal, no power included. Now, if the Boss is too rich for your blood, the LEKAT09 Loop Pedal offers serious storage at a fraction of the cost. At $64, it's one of the cheapest here, but don't let the price fool you, it's packed with features. Here's why this matters. 9 separate loops, each up to 10 minutes long for a total of 40 minutes. That's more than enough for complex arrangements or long practice sets. The 48K HZ/24-bit audio is uncompressed, so your tone stays pure, no digital mush. The built-in tuner is a nice touch, and USB import-export lets you back up loops or load new ones from your computer. Unlimited overdubs and undo-redo keep things flexible. The catch, no power supply included. Like the Donner, you'll need a 9V adapter. Also, the small size means the foot switch is tiny. Some users said it's easy to miss during live play. But for home use or practice, it's not a big deal. This is perfect for you if you want long recording time and clean audio on a budget. Skip this if you need live performance durability or already hate clutter on your pedal board. For under $70, it's a steal. Product number 5, LEK-ATO9 Loop Pedal with Power Supply. Now, if the previous LEK-ATO frustrated you with no power adapter, this version fixes that. Same great features, 9 loops, 40 minutes total, 24-bit audio USB tuner, but now it comes with a 9V0.6A power supply. At $89, it's still affordable, and the included adapter makes it plug and play right out of the box. Here's why this matters. You get all the same high-quality looping as the cheaper model, but without the hassle of hunting for a compatible power source. The visual time indicator helps you stay on beat, and the single-button operation keeps things simple. It's reliable, compact, and built for guitarists who want functionality without fuss. The only real downside, it's still a small pedal, so foot control takes practice. And while the sound is clean, it doesn't have the studio-grade processing of the Boss. But for the price, that's expected. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, ready-to-use looper with long recording time and no setup headaches. Skip this if you need stereo I/O or MIDI sync. For under $90 with power included, it's one of the best complete packages here. So which one should you get? The MOOERGE 100 if you want effects and looping in one. The Donner Triple Looper for serious recording time under $85. The Boss RC5 if you need pro sound and features. The LEK-ATO without power if you're tight on cash, or the LEK-ATO with power if you want it ready to go. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your needs, not just the specs.